Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Iqbal Hamka, and I'm excited to talk to you about the role of Gen Z in the 2024 year. And this time, let my friend introduce himself.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faiz Rashid.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Isnam Wafar.
My name is Anissa Jatikusuma.
My name is Reina Sindiaksari.
Lanjut. In the next here, we will explain about for the introduction section. There is material on active participation of Gen Z. Then in the characteristic of Gen Z section, they are challenged faced by Gen Z. And the final material is the strategic roles of Gen Z in 2024 year election with contain a conclusion. Next slide. What is the 2024 year Democratic Party? The 2024 year election is a crucial moment for Indonesia to elect the president, vice president, and member of parliament, DPR, DPD, DPRD. This election is an opportunity to shape the nation development over the next 5 years. What is the 2024 year Democratic Party? Significant population Gen Z account for nearly 27% of Indonesian population, making them a crucial voter demographic. Future stakeholder political decision made today will directly impact their future. Next slide.
Characteristic of Gen Z. Number one, digital native, familiar with technology from a young age. Their primary source of information are social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Gen Z grew up in the era of advanced technology, making them highly familiar with gadgets and the internet from an early age. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube are their primary source for information, entertainment, and education. Number two, critical and independent thinkers. They tend to verify information and evaluate issues based on data. This generation tends to be skeptical of the information they receive. They verify facts and evaluate issues based on data and logic rather than opinion or emotion. Number three, concerned about global issues, focus on a topic like climate change, social justice, gender inclusive, and human rights. Gen Z is highly aware of global challenges such as climate change, social inequality, human rights, and gender equality. They often take part in our support campaigns related to this issue. Number four, collaboration oriented, enjoy working together in community or project to achieve common goals. This generation prefers working in group or community to achieve shared goals. They believe collaboration is more effective than working alone whether in social, educational, or professional contexts.
Next, strategic roles of Gen Z in the 2024 election. In the first, as smart voters. Understanding candidates, Gen Z can study, assess, and compare the vision, mission, and program of candidate before making a decision. Next, combating hoaxes. With their digital literacy, Gen Z can help filter out false information, especially on social media. Next, mobilizing support. They can encourage their peers to actively participate in the election. Gen Z play a crucial role as informed voter by thoroughly researching candidates. They can examine the vision, mission, and program of various candidates, allowing them to make well-informed decisions at the polls. Additionally, their digital literacy empower them to combat misinformation, particularly on social media by individuating and filtering out false news. Furthermore, Gen Z has the power to mobilize their peers to actively engage in the electoral process, encouraging wider participation. In the second, agents of change on social media. Positive campaign. Gen Z and utilize platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to spread positive messages about democracy. Raising awareness, content like short videos of informative memes can increase public political awareness. On social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, Gen Z can lead positive campaign that promote democratic values and encourage civic engagement. They can create impactful content such as short videos and memes to raise awareness and spark political discussion among their followers. Moreover, Gen Z can actively counter black campaigns by sharing accurate information and debunking harmful, baseless narrative circulating online. Next. And in the third, advocates of emerging issues, environmental concerns, encouraging candidates to commit to climate change policies, gender equality, advocating for policies supporting women and marginalized group, education and technology, ensuring new generation have access to quality education and modern technology. Gen Z, Gen Z is deeply invested in addressing critical global issues. They advocate for candidates who prioritize environmental sustainability and are committed to policies tackling climate change. Additionally, Gen Z supports gender equality, championing policies that empower women and marginalized communities. They also advocate for stronger educational system and the advancement of technology to ensure that future generations are equipped for the challenge ahead.
Active participation of Gen Z in communities and organizations. One, in communities and organizations, election volunteer as witnesses or volunteer in the election process to ensure transparency. As election volunteer, Gen Z and ensure that the election run smoothly and transparency. In this case, Gen Z can act as an election community KPPS as a member of the KPPS, Gen Z has the task of ensuring that all citizens registered as voters still use their voting right. In addition, Gen Z can also be witness for one of the political parties. The witness is tasked with overseeing that the voting at the TPS is free from fraud, especially fraud that will harm the political party they support. There is also a generation that serves as Bawaslu who supervises all members of the KPPS. We necess and ensure the voting at the TPS is free from fraud that will harm one of the candidates. 2. Political education community. Join a community that provides political education to the public. If Gen Z is interested in politics, Gen Z can also enter a political party to become an politician. However, not many young people dare to become politician because they do not have much experience. 3. Mass participation. Their presence at the polling booth is crucial to increase voter turnout. There was a survey conducted by an institution that the Gen Z election DPT ranked second in terms of DPT after the millennial generation. The hope is that by becoming the second largest DPT, Gen Z can use their vote because uh, one vote can determine life for the next 5 years. For the money political parties that occur is every election make most people vote only because of the money, not from the head, and considering the vision and mission of the candidate. It is hoped the Gen Z will reject money politic and populist campaigns.
Challenges faced by Gen Z. Number one is lack of political education. Not all Gen Z individuals have basic knowledge about Indonesian political system and election. This gap is political understanding may lead in disengagement from important national decisions, as many young people do not fully grasp how the political system works or how it impacts their life. So for the solution, incorporate political education into school curricula or conduct digital education champion. Schools should offer comprehensive lesson of the structure of government, electoral process, political parties, and how politics affect various aspects of society. Additional digital champion using social media and interactive platform can engage Gen Z in an accessible and readable way, helping them develop an informed perspective of current issue. Number two is information overload. The overwhelming amount of information on social media can be confusing. This information overload can create confusion about political matters, leading to apathy or misinformation. So for the solution, improve digital literacy so Gen Z can identify credible information. This includes teaching them how to evaluate sources, spot misinformation, and cross-check fact from reputable outlets. Number 3 is political apathy. Some Gen Z members feel that politics is irrelevant to their life. This sense of that much can lead to a lack of interest in voting or participating in political discussion. So, for the solution is relate political discussion to issues that are significant to them by showing how politics affect their life. Young people can better understand the connection between their value and political choice.
Conclusion. Key to a healthy democracy. Gen Z is a generation that will determine the direction of Indonesian democracy. Through active and critical participation, they can ensure fair and transparent election. Collaboration is essential. Government, schools, media, and community organizations must work together to support Gen Z involvement. Optimism for the future. Gen Z participation in the 2024 election is an investment in Indonesian democratic future.
Thank you very much.
Any question, my friend? Any question? If not, I will suffice with the presentation for our group. Thank you.
Thank you.